If you're watching this video, then you're considering starting your own YouTube channel, which is amazing. And you're wondering what you need to get started and maybe some general outline of key hacks and strategies to focus on, then you've come to the right video. Hi guys, welcome back to Marketing Hustle, where we simplify marketing so that you can grow your digital influence and your business. For the last 10 years, I've worked as a digital marketer for regional to international brands, helping them build their brands and drive revenue through digital channels. And it was in 2018, 31 weeks ago approximately, when I started my YouTube channel. Since then, I have learned a lot and I'm hoping to save you some time in your journey. So let's get right into it. We're gonna talk about three main points. Number one, channel theme. Number two, channel branding, and number three, optimization. First thing you want to understand is you need to pick a theme for your channel. There's a lot of channels out there that have a lot of different topics, and you either have to say something different or find something different to talk about or a different way to say it. So your channel should focus on something in particularly so it could increase the odds of succeeding. For example, if you have a fitness channel, don't create a general fitness channel. Make a specialized one. For example, street workouts are a particular type of fitness for an athlete, such as a basketball player. Now, your channel theme should align your passion, skills, and expertise to ensure that you actually really know and like what you're talking about, because if you aren't engaged, odds are other people won't. Next, you want to brand your channel so there's consistency in the experience the audience has. Now, this goes beyond the basics of your channel art or your thumbnails or video bumper like the one you saw at the beginning of this video. Your format is also something that is part of your branding. So for example, I start all of my videos and in the first 5 to 15 seconds, I tell you what the video is about, then I show you a bumper to brand myself further, and then I welcome you to the channel and give you a brief description of it. Lastly, at the end of this video, you're gonna see an outro where I'm gonna thank you and ask you to subscribe. So you wanna create a cohesive branded experience to increase the odds that the viewer will remember you, thus increase the odds that they're gonna subscribe to your channel. Once you have all that in place, commit to posting videos regularly. After you have at least 5 to 8 videos, you wanna review the analytics and see what are the videos that got you the most views and the most engagement, and also look under the audience retention tab to see which videos kept the attention of your audiences longer. Now, you wanna leverage those insights to optimize your content strategy to make more videos like the ones that work very well and less of the other ones. And at this point, your channel brand is there, your content strategy is there. The next thing is to increase views. Now, how do you do that? Well, if you have other channels on, for example, Instagram or Facebook where you have a lot of followers, you could definitely leverage those sources. But let's say in the situation that you don't have followers on any other channels, what do you do then? Well, you can use Google's AdWords product to buy YouTube ads. So for example, this video called how to start your YouTube channel. You might have been typing in YouTube channel 101, YouTube channel basics, how to start a YouTube channel, and because I was running an ad, I was able to target you and put this video in front of you. This is very relevant content to you, and in exchange, I'm getting your time and your attention. So one of the great things about YouTube ads is that if you don't have a lot of subscribers when you're starting, which most people don't, you can amplify your content beyond your subscribers to the hundreds of millions of people that are searching for whatever the topic of your video are. Now, I've seen very cost-effective performance in my ads with cost per views of cents. I'm talking about 4 or 5 cents to get somebody to watch a video. So that's something that you could definitely do to amplify your videos, and then to see which ones do very well, look at the analytics, look at the retention, and continue to optimize your content strategy from there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, this is Market and Hustle, where we simplify marketing so that you can grow your digital influence and your business. Till the next video, peace.